Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to fix the task manager has been disabled by your administrator error in Windows. While trying to use the task manager, a third-party program, virus, or spyware might prevent you from using this tool. Usually, the task manager might fail to launch, and all you'll see is the task manager has been disabled by your administrator error message. In this video, we will give 3 ways to fix task manager has been disabled by your administrator. Open the local group policy editor. In the left-hand side pane, navigate to User Configuration, Administrative Templates, System, Ctrl-Alt-Del options. From there, double-click on the Remove Task Manager option on the right-hand side pane. In the next window, select the Disabled or Not Configured option. From there, click Apply and then click OK. Close the local group policy editor and restart your device. Your task manager issues should be resolved as soon as you finish applying these steps. Open the registry editor. In the left-hand side pane, navigate to HKey Current User, Software, Microsoft, Windows, Current Version, Policies. If you don't see the system's key, you'll need to create it. But if the value is already available, you can skip to the next step. Right-click on the Policies key, click New, and then click Key. Name the new key as System. Right-click on the System key, click New and select D-Word, 32-bit, value. Name this newly created D-Word value as the following and press Enter. Next, double-click the Disable taskmgr value. From there, set the value data to 0, and click OK to finish. The task manager has been disabled by your administrator. Windows 10 issues should now be resolved. Otherwise, restart your PC to save these changes. Click Search, type CMD, and press Ctrl Shift Enter to run the command prompt as administrator. Type the following command and then press Enter. When the command prompt displays the operation completed successfully, your task manager should now be fixed. Reboot your computer to apply these changes.